Alright, we're back. Okay, I like using my fly cutter here for cutting at because it allows you to get in there deep inside the areas where it's undercut. Like right there, you can come in there and clear your spindle and your tool holder there. This side here you got more room, but not this one. So I like using this. Okay. So now let's go in there and see what we got to deal with. Okay, so we're going to have to come up to this side, drop this back down a little bit. Okay, you can see where the original cut line is right here. There's no reason why I can't move that in a little bit. So I am going to move it in a little bit. Give you more room for your frame. Some frames are cut wider than others. I've had them where they actually bottom out on those grooves, especially some of the aftermarket frames. So it doesn't hurt to cut a little deeper. It doesn't hurt anything by doing that. Okay, so we're going to basically make them cut across here. See what we got to deal with. Okay, we just touched right there. Zero. Table's locked. Right there. And we are 5 thou higher than this side. So this side over here is higher than this side. So you cut 5 thou deeper to do the same cut. So you got 90 right there, zeros over here. So it's 5 thou difference. Okay, I'm going to turn this thing on so I know where I'm at. I don't want to cut the hit over here. It'd be nice to go all the way off the table here, but not yet. Looks like we can go in at least another 100 thou. Out of my way. We go until we hit right there. That's our cut. That's our stop point right there when we hit that table. So we're trying to get all the way off the surface here so I don't leave any marks, but obviously we're going to leave a little bit. I can't go over that deep, but I can live with that. Okay, I got to come back and see what this distance is right here. We'll do that with the machine running. We got 1,000, 1,800, 1,800. Oh, we need to put power. Always forget about that power thing. Should be good. Oh. Zero now. 150. Be a 5-thou cut all the way across. Obviously it's not going to be. For some reason we're not cutting. There we go, right there we just contacted. 20. I don't know what I was hitting on, it was a high spot obviously. Okay, now you can see the motor mount being cut. Not very flat. That side's a lot flatter. That's a big cut. But you're worried there for a minute. We'll go all the way to 0 up there. Oh. 40 pass anyway. Really pretty close over here. Yeah. I think I went too close. What do you think? I went 40 past my number. Don't go past your number. You didn't have that much clearance. Okay, so this one here, you can see how it's low over here. Low there, cutting pretty even across this surface. This one over here, it was cutting a lot more on the outside edge here, where this weld was. Not much here, but you can see how it's pretty deep through here. So I'm going to give it a 10 thou cut, and I'll bring it back across. I'm going to 0 this. So that was 20 thou down from I thought it was. Okay, 10 thou down. We get. Hopefully it'll clean up most of the trash. That motor mount over there looks good. A little corner there is going to get cut on the back side. Looks like most of this one got clean too. Yep, 90% or better, 95% coverage on that one now. See the cross cut? That's my witness marks. Tell me how accurate my mill is. When you got those nice marks like that, it tells you your head's square. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Everything's nice and smooth all the way across. Got a little bit of a low spot right there by the edge of my thumb. There's only one little big wear mark in there. So that's a nice clean motor mount now. Okay, now you go over here and do this side. But I can't do the case like this. I'm going to have to move the case over. I'm not going to change anything on the cutter or anything. I'm leaving it the same, everything. Got to get this out of my way a little bit. So I can't cut this deep in here easily. I could take my ram and move it way out another foot and get over here and do it that way, but I don't like doing that. So this is pretty damn accurate. So if I just move this all the way to the other extreme, or I say actually if I just rotate it, I'll probably get what I need. Turn it 90 degrees or something, or I'll flip it around and put it on this side. We'll see which way lines up best for what we need. We're limited by our cutter where we can put it, so that's our limitation. Table off. nuts when you need them. Need my clamping stud holes here. Alright, should be close. There we go. One. Let's go this way a little bit. Looks good right there. Problem with this, I can't square it all up, but get it pretty close with some tools. We'll use a square on the side of the milling machine over here to get this thing squared up a little better than we were. Alright, we'll be back.